Hello friends, today we are going to make this exciting water bomb. This is super fun and super easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. We will need a square sheet of paper. Now along its diagonal, make a nice crease. Then open the paper, rotate it 90 degrees and repeat the same fold, but now this time along the second diagonal. Once again, open the paper and flip it. From here, along the center, fold the paper in half. Again, make sure that you are making nice and tight creases. Open the paper, rotate 90 degrees, and then again along the center line, fold it in half. Now your basic creases are done. Flip the paper and we'll try to get the first fold. You try to bring the center of the edges to the same point, and this will give you a base which is known as water bomb. This will look like a triangle in the shape and it will have 4 flaps to it. Now from one flap, try to match the bottom edge to the center of the model. Now repeat the fold on the other side. And then flip the model and repeat the same type of fold on the other 2 flaps as well. Now you'll have a square shape. From here, take one corner and match to the center of the model. Try to follow along the video. Now repeat the same fold on all the 4 sides. If you like the video so far, make sure to comment and like the video. Now once done, you'll see there are smaller pockets on one side of the model. So one side is closed and one side there is a pocket. So now pick the small flap and try to insert that particular flap into the pocket. This will nicely lock the flap inside. Now again we'll do the same fold on all the other 3 sides. Now your water bomb is completed. Once press all the creases to get it right. Now you'll notice on one side there is a closed end and one side there is an open end. So from the open end, we'll blow the air inside and inflate the ball. Your water bomb is ready. You can actually put the water inside and have a fun fight with your friends. If you want to learn more models like this, make sure to subscribe our channel.